In this video, I'll show you how to add text in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you're creating YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, posters, or graphic designs, adding stylish text is quick and easy with Photopea. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer * to edit an existing image, or select New Project * to create a new design from scratch. Once your project is open, select the * text tool from the toolbar on the left, or simply press the * T* key on your keyboard. Then click anywhere on your canvas and start typing your text. Next, customize your text using the options at the top of the screen. You can change the font size, color, alignment, spacing, and style. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font if you're designing a YouTube thumbnail or social media graphic. To make your text stand out, open the * layer style * options by double-clicking the text layer. Here you can add effects such as * drop shadow *, stroke *, outer glow *, or gradient overlay *. These effects help your text look more professional and improve visibility against busy backgrounds. You can also move, resize, or rotate your text using the * move tool * and free transform * option. If your design contains multiple text elements, keep each one on a separate layer so you can edit them independently at any time. Once you're happy with the design, click * file *, choose * export as *, select *JPG* or PNG*, adjust the quality if needed, and save your finished image to your computer. That's how to add text in Photopea in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials.